Welcome to my review of Agent Opus and Opus Clip. If you're interested in signing up for Opus, there is an affiliate link in the description. But this is still an honest review, and I'll give my real opinion about how the platform works. So first, Agent Opus is basically an AI content creation platform designed to make short-form videos. You can give it a script or audio recording, choose the style, upload logos and characters, and it creates an entire video in minutes. This is especially useful if you're trying to create a lot of content for ads. One thing I immediately noticed is that the workflow is extremely beginner-friendly. You don't need editing experience. You don't need fancy software. The fact that it can generate both the voiceover and visuals automatically is a massive time saver. With Agent Opus, you can literally generate content in minutes. And honestly, that's where this tool shines. Another thing I liked is that the AI voiceovers are surprisingly decent. They don't sound perfect, obviously, but they're way more usable than a lot of older AI voice tools. You can create ads without ever recording a voiceover. Simply add your script, choose the voice, and it creates the video using that voiceover. If you want to make changes to a section, you can enter a prompt where it needs changes, and it will regenerate the video. Now, I do want to mention something important though, because this is also where one of the biggest cons comes in. The animated videos definitely feel more like ads than organic TikTok or Instagram content. If you want to create more organic style content, you can also use Opus Clip to turn your long-form videos into shorter, more engaging clips for platforms like TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts. This works especially well for creators, business owners, and podcasters who already produce longer videos and want to repurpose that content quickly without spending hours editing everything manually. Instead of starting from scratch every time, Opus Clip can automatically find highlights, add captions, and format your videos into vertical short-form content. Personally, I like using Opus Clip for creating more organic Reels and TikToks because the content tends to feel more authentic and less promotional. On the other hand, I found that Agent Opus works really well for creating faster ad-style videos and marketing content. So in my opinion, the two tools actually complement each other really well, depending on the type of content you're trying to make. If you run a business and you need quick ad creatives, this tool is honestly pretty impressive. A lot of brands spend hundreds or thousands of dollars getting creators to make UGC ads consistently. But with Agent Opus, you can generate multiple ad variations incredibly fast. You can test hooks faster, test angles faster, test offers faster. And when it comes to paid advertising, volume matters. Being able to create 10 ad concepts quickly, instead of spending days on one video, can genuinely help businesses scale faster. Another thing I noticed is that it works best when you give it clear prompts. The more specific you are, the better the output becomes. So instead of saying something super broad, like make a video about Shopify, you'll usually get better results by typing in your full script. And honestly, I think a lot of people underestimate how important prompting is with AI tools right now. The AI is only as good as the instructions you give it. Now let's talk about whether I think it's worth it. I think it really depends on what type of creator or business you are. If you enjoy editing videos manually and you already have a strong content system, then this probably won't fully replace your workflow. But if speed is your biggest problem, or consistency, or content burnout, then I can absolutely see why people are excited about tools like this. Because creating ads can be expensive and time-consuming, especially when you're running a business at the same time. And tools like Agent Opus are basically trying to remove as much friction from the process as possible. Instead of spending hours creating one video, you can focus more on testing ideas, offers, and marketing angles, which honestly is probably the smarter use of time for most business owners anyway. Overall, I think Agent Opus is a really solid AI content tool, especially for fast ad-style content creation. The biggest strengths are definitely the speed, automation, voiceovers, and simplicity. The biggest weakness is that some videos can feel a little too animated or promotional for organic social media, unless you customize them more afterward. But for businesses trying to produce content quickly at scale, I think it's actually really useful. If you want to try Agent Opus for yourself, I'll leave my affiliate link in the description below. It helps support the channel, and you can check out the platform for yourself to see if it fits your content style. And if you want more videos about AI tools, faceless content creation, Shopify, online business, and growing brands with AI, make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.